Welcome today in front of me Black Shark 5, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint here to the scanner on the right side of our device on the power key button, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how far this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here so fast. I just can unlock the device less than in half of the second. I just make it with a simple touch to the power key. I'm not pressing it, so I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but be careful and don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or PIN code. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.